Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your visa process with VisaHQ easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the VisaHQ website. On the home page, locate the search bar. Enter your destination country in the search bar. Select your country from the drop-down list. Click on the Get Started button. Next, choose the type of visa you need from the options provided. Read the requirements for your selected visa carefully. Gather all necessary documents as outlined. Complete the online application form. Make sure to double-check all entered information for accuracy. After filling out the form, submit your application. Proceed to the payment page to process payment for your visa. Once payment is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions provided in the email for next steps. Prepare your documents for submission as described. Drop off your documents at the designated location or send them by mail. Track your application status through the VisaHQ portal. Be patient as your application is processed. Once approved, you will receive your visa by mail or email, depending on choice. Review your visa for correctness before travel. Make any necessary arrangements for your trip. Enjoy your travels with peace of mind knowing your visa is in order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.